Hola, and welcome back to Hola Clarita. This is your Module 1 checkpoint. That means today is not a normal lesson. Carlos is going to try a real Spanish roleplay using what he learned in lessons 1 through 4. He'll use airport pronunciation, baggage words, greetings, polite hotel language, and the verb ser to say who he is and where he is from. Listen closely. You'll hear Spanish you already know, now in one connected conversation. Let's see how Carlos does.
Buenos días, Carlos.
Buenos días, Sofía.
Are you ready for your first Madrid challenge?
Challenge?
Sí, a small role play. You already arrived at the airport, you found your luggage, you checked into the hotel, and now you can introduce yourself. Let's see if you can put it all together.
Okay, I'm ready. Well, mostly ready.
Perfect. We'll go step by step. First, pronunciation. Say hola.
Hola.
Good. The H is silent. Now say llave.
Llave.
Very good. The double L sounds like a Y. Now, how do you spell your name?
Carlos. Se escribe C-A-R-L-O-S.
Excelente. And what does letra mean?
Letter.
Yes, you remember lesson 1. Now, your travel things. What is this?
La maleta.
Good. And this?
La mochila.
And this important document.
El pasaporte.
Perfect. Now make a sentence.
Tengo el pasaporte.
Good. Another one.
Necesito la maleta.
Excellent. El pasaporte, la maleta, la mochila. Your articles are much better now.
I still have to think about el and la.
That's normal. Thinking is part of learning.
Now I'm the hotel receptionist.
Okay.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
¿Cómo se llama?
Me llamo Carlos.
¿Tiene una reserva?
Sí, tengo una reserva.
Muy bien. Y aquí tiene su llave.
Gracias.
De nada.
That sounded like the real hotel conversation.
Exactly. And with hotel staff, which you is usually safer.
Usted.
Correct. With staff or strangers, usted is polite and safe. Now we are just two travelers meeting in the hotel. Hola, me llamo Sofía.
Mucho gusto, Sofía. Me llamo Carlos.
Mucho gusto. ¿Eres turista?
Sí, soy turista.
¿De dónde eres?
Soy de Canadá.
Muy bien. Yo soy de España.
Nice. Wait, could I say estoy de Canadá?
No, for origin, use ser. Soy de Canadá.
Right. Soy de Canadá.
Exactly. And if you and another Canadian traveler answered together?
Nosotros somos de Canadá.
Perfect, Carlos. Final challenge. Imagine you just arrived, met someone at the hotel, and need to introduce yourself clearly. Use everything you can.
Okay. Buenos días. Me llamo Carlos. Soy turista. Soy de Canadá. Tengo el pasaporte. Tengo una reserva. Necesito la llave, por favor. Gracias.
Carlos, that was excellent. You used greetings, you used ser, you used baggage and hotel words, and you were polite.
I actually feel like I can handle the first part of Madrid now.
You can. And next, we should get breakfast.
Breakfast sounds good, but I may need more Spanish for that.
Perfect. That's the next adventure.
Fantastic work. Carlos just completed the Module 1 checkpoint. He used Spanish sounds and spelling. He named travel items with el and la. He used greetings and polite hotel language. And he used ser to say who he is and where he is from. That means Carlos has completed the first part of his Madrid journey. He landed, found his baggage, checked into his hotel, and introduced himself in Spanish. In Module 2, Carlos starts his first morning in Madrid, and of course, that means one very important thing, coffee. If you're enjoying the series, subscribe and continue learning with Hola Clarita. Gracias por aprender conmigo. Hasta la próxima.